We talk a lot about NEMA configurations in almost every single one of our videos. As you may already know, NEMA stands for the standard naming conventions established by the National Electrical Manufacturers Association. They are how we identify your plugs and outlets to get you the proper power solution. There are what we call two families of the NEMA configurations, and when we talk about them, there's only one letter that separates them. One of the most important letters to use when talking about NEMA configurations is the letter L. L stands for locking, which is how a plug locks in place with a slight twist after being plugged in. This makes a huge difference when identifying NEMA configurations verbally or through a text-heavy format. While straight blade and locking configurations can share the same ratings, they will look entirely different. Let's look at a couple examples where L is crucial in identifying the correct NEMA configuration. NEMA 14-30. The 14 stands for 125/250 volts, and the 30 stands for 30 amps. You may recognize this as a 4-prong dryer outlet. Generators can carry an outlet with the same exact rating, but it will look completely different. It's a locking outlet called NEMA L14-30. So if I were talking about this generator outlet and said 1430 without the L, it could cause some serious confusion. Most locking outlets will even have their NEMA configuration printed on them. When you're reading it to identify the outlet, always include the L. Let's say I'm talking about a 250 volt, 30 amp, 3-prong locking outlet. I would not say NEMA 630. I would say NEMA L6-30. Again, while they have the same ratings, the appearances are totally different. This is how important it is to include everything you see when identifying a NEMA configuration. We hope this helps you understand how important the L and NEMA configurations are when looking for electrical connections. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more power solutions. Thanks for watching.